Hello, my name is Jules and today I am going to talk about smudging. So what is smudging and why do we do it? The American, Native American Indians, they used smudge sticks which are sage. I have one here, and they normally have them in a big bunch. And so what you do, you light them and then blow them out so you've got the smoke. So it's quite thick smoke, so be careful of your smoke alarms. And you can smudge yourself. So you can do it kind of like a whirly kind of way, and then down under your arms, and then under your feet, and then okay, and you'll finish at your head. Start at your head, finish at your head. So I have smudged myself, I have cleansed myself of negative energy. That's why we do it. We can also smudge houses. So you go around the house and you go along and you make sure you get in every single corner, because that's where negative energy congregates. And make sure you open a window as well so everything flows out and also you don't get smoked out. So that is sage stick. So it's normally in a bundle, but mine's kind of come apart. So, but yeah, so they're like little twigs, very powerful. Now when you put them out, we normally use a shell, as you can see here, and you literally grind them into the shell just to make sure that they are all out properly. Now we also have here a Palo Santo, which is cedar wood, and this is Peruvian, so from Peru. Again, exactly the same thing. It's a cleanser. And it's a sweeter smell. It's a lighter smoke. So can you see it's not quite as heavy with the smoke, but again, the exact same way you can cleanse yourself. A lot of therapists will always cleanse their room before the day's treatment, or even before each client, and at the end of the day they will always cleanse the energy, because we all bring our rucksack of emotional baggage, which is, you know, attached to us. It's part of us, or it's from other people. So it's just a way of cleansing yourself. There are kits available, and I'm recommending one particular kit, and it's under £15, so it makes an excellent Christmas present. And it includes the shell, and not this exact shell, it's a scallop shell, and Palo Santo, and also the sage stick, and instructions. It's a beginner's instructions how to use them. So so if you know anybody that would be interested in this, or yourself, or Happy Christmas to me, click the link below. Okay, thank you.